Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're talking about two essential practices for healthy beans watering and fertilizing. Both pole and bush beans need consistent care to produce a good harvest. So let's dive into the best ways to keep them hydrated and well fed. Beans need regular watering to maintain even moisture in the soil. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, especially when the plants are flowering and setting pods. To prevent issues like root rot, use a soaker hose or drip irrigation to water at the base and keep the leaves dry. When fertilizing beans, focus on promoting blooms and pods instead of foliage. Choose a fertilizer with low nitrogen content, as too much nitrogen leads to lush leaves but fewer beans. Applying a balanced, low nitrogen fertilizer when the plants start to flower can give them the boost they need. Remember, beans don't need heavy feeding, so avoid over-fertilizing. Keep the soil enriched with compost at planting time to provide lasting nutrients without overwhelming the plants. With consistent watering and light fertilization, you'll be well on your way to a plentiful bean harvest. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!